Over LBC. I put over LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's a wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. It is Wednesday, March 18th, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is Alex O Crypto's birthday. Hopefully you told Alex O happy birthday today. Happy birthday, Alex O. Happy birthday, Alex O. Happy birthday, I missed a trade because my screen froze. Yes, I'm trying. I am hoping I did not miss the trade. It's looking like I did. Dang it. Oh well. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here. Thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. Good evening to you. We got 666 in the house. What's going on, 666? We got F-Bomb. What's up, F-Bomb? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Kelly. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you for joining me. Let's get in this Miss Wet trade. This trade, I actually have it up here on breakout. It did not, I was trying to adjust, but it was freezing as the intro was playing on for the stream. Swept the equal lows. That's why I was looking for down here. We also have golden pocket, so I was hoping we would get down to there, to the golden pocket. Also this little demand zone here, and it can still roll over and get there. Come on now, stop us below the low or at the low, and yeah, we'll go from there. Manage the trade from there. I've got it going up here to this supply zone. We also have nice imbalance candle here. Nothing to the left of it, really. I mean, all the way over here, yes, but not here. Why significance? What is the significance? High, low, new low. No new low. Took out a whole bunch of lows though. Thought that was a new low. Whoopsies. But we have these, geez, turn the magnet off. Here we go. Got a triangle, right? And it broke down there. Imbalance. It just sliced through. Come on. Come on. Come to me. Maybe I should take some profits on my shorts. Maybe. Let's zoom out. This is looking good. Come on. Maybe I can get it to come up here to these equal highs, sweep them, and then come down. And then bounce. That'd be cool. Look at, I mean, I freaking nailed that part. I just wanted a little lower, but that's okay. Can't make every trade. Of course. Of course it's pumping. All right, just took the equal lows or highs. So we'll see what it does from there. Do you have some highs here, here? Juicy highs. That's why I was ready to go long. It's okay. We'll back up. Let's take a look at the price action from the day. So, yeah, nice breakdown here. It's kind of expected once you start building a bunch of lows like this. And of course, this is your Bart Simpson with a mohawk pattern. Breakdown, we've been eyeballing these equal lows over here all week, ever since Sunday night. We've been waiting for price to come back down to them, and it finally did. We got this move. I mean, that move. We got this move. We also have, we got that move. We add our fib. You break, come back. There's our entry. Roll over. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The trade entry, that got down to the -1. Excellent. You butthead. Now I just want you to roll over and create another low. Actually, I'm going to cancel. Where's my trade? Where'd it go? Did not hit how I wanted it. And there's a chance. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this. Cancel that. I'm going to show you why. So, you oftentimes get 3-wave moves. I mean, you could go 1, 2, 3 equal highs here. So you could do that. 1, 2, if it creates equal highs. 3, sweep. Either way, 3-wave move. And then you break it. We've seen this happen over and over again. This I'll just call it a bear market. It's what it is. It's what it's been. And yeah, so it's going to be the same, but let's flip it inverted so you can see. I want to see 1, 2, 3, and then run it back down. We do still have those equal highs. In case you're confused, still have those equal highs that we can run back up to. And if this, I swear. Did I not just put a trend line on it? Oh my goodness. Well, it's breaking, of course. 15-minute. All right, that's tis a breakout. Let's go to the 5. Let's get this a little bit more precision. See, 3 minutes until the 5-minute candle closes. We'll see if it can close above these candles over here. I want to see it break, pull back, and then we can enter on a pullback. I can enter on a pullback. LOL, you're no butthead, David. Oh, thank you. Is that just a scalp? No. No. No, that would have been a intraday trade, if you will. Because the plan was to take it to these equal highs. Either way, I do think this we're trying to find a bottom in here so that we can run it back up to those equal highs. Now let's zoom out because I want to go over something else. So I do believe, all right, so if we can run it back to those equal highs now, great. If we don't, I do see the possibility. Why did you just do that? I do see the potential for a macro 3-wave move. And I believe this will pop up regardless. It's just a matter of which retracement level it's going to hit. Standard. So I'm not so confused. There we go. Easily confused. Just get on the wick. Close enough. Yeah, so I'll watch it come up to... So we've broken this, but that doesn't mean we can't go higher before we go lower. But we have broken this, so kind of we've broken this trend. So what I think we could see is a push up somewhere in this zone, and then a rollover, take some lows, maybe bounce at that 236 at about 68,800, and then run it up one more time for our macro 3-wave move. Get the 1, you're breaking high. 1, 2, 3, flush. And this is what I think is going to happen. We're very close. If it's not this, then we break out and we pump. We just pump. Even then it's sketch, because if we go and look at the past instances like these, pump and roll over. So we got to be careful. Wait, are those? So my equal highs that I have an alert on in the current range are also the equal lows over here That 74K that we were watching for months on end. Same spot. It's kind of crazy. You think we might hit the bottom of the range again before going up? Which range? Please be more specific. LBCOG, Melissa One Love in the house. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Oh my god, I forgot to watch Darby. What? And a Little People? I don't know what you're talking about. Why are you bullish? Who, me? I'm not. I'm short term bullish-ish. Because I think that we're gonna get something like this, and I think we're gonna run it down and just absolutely wreck folks, taking out all the lows, because it's what we've been doing this entire bear market. And until it invalidates, I think it's gonna happen. Now over here, do we get a 3-wave move? I would say yes. High, whoops. Got the initial bounce. You actually got this and pulled back. Then hit again, and then one more time. So that's one new high, 2 highs. Well, really, 3, but this is still right at the same level. 3rd push, clearing the highs, rollover. If you don't want this to happen, you've got to hold and break and continue. You've got to break trend. You have to break highs, and you have to hold them. So anytime you get a bottoming structure, you're just waiting for it to break one way and hold it, and then continue, whether it's to the downside or to the upside. When you get so sexy, I don't know. In high school. Happy birthday to you. Happy otter birthday. You're getting super old. And you're really Canadian. And maple syrup. What's going on, Alex? How you doing, bro? Thank you for stopping by. I know you hit that like. Is that 1, 2, and then 3? Ooh. Maybe. Ruh-roh. Gotta be careful. Expect anything at this point. I mean, honestly, this could just pump something crazy. But what would be the catalyst? Like, I honestly don't know. Do we really think like an end to the Iran war will do it? So you can always look at past. This is the one that scares me. Like getting a big pump, not really scares me, but scares me for others because they wouldn't expect it. Say, oh yeah, we're so bullish, and wrecked. Oh, Not so bullish after all. I made 900 today. Zigzag polywag pattern. Thanks, guys. Zigzag polywag? I don't even know what you're talking about. I didn't call it a zigzag. It's not a zigzag. It's 3 drives. Where? What was that? Oh. This bottom is very similar to kind of what we're getting right now. Isn't it? In a way. You want to see? Watch. Gosh, I need a new computer so bad. Someone buy me a new computer, please. Look, I pulled this off of the 4-hour time frame. Four-hour time frame. Going down to the 3-minute. What just happened? Where'd it go? Whoa. Calm down, bro. Scrunch it up. Not quite, not quite. Just looking at this, so you got the low, low, push up. Really, no, this is the big drop. Low, up, big drop, up, kind of chilling, and then go. It's pretty close. Close enough for government work. Am I right? And I bet you it goes up to like a 50% retracement or something. Golden pocket. Because these markets are fractal, bro. They're fractal. We got a little bit of deviation down here at the lows. Oh well, thought it was fun. I tried. I'm so mad that I didn't get this trade. Even though I had the box marked off and everything. Wait, we got a break and a back test? Oh. 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 Hmm. What's up, guys? Thank you, fam. Long it. There we go. It's probably not a bad idea. I mean, we swept the equal lows. Do have these equal highs just above us. Fair value gap. Breaking of trend. Already broke that one. Man, it's not clean. It's got to be a clean move. Sweep of the low and go. One minute. Let's see if there's something here. Fair value gap, order block, something. Bullish order flow. Kind of rounding. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Bearish divergence? Maybe. All right, what's the NASDAQ looking like? I'm getting bored. Boring myself. Gosh, so glitchy. How's the stream? Is the stream okay? Because my stuff's being super laggy. What if you just did a small trade? What if I did? What if I do? Why don't I just try it out, right? Bounce off the order block there. I think this is the one. Maybe this is the one. Or not. Jeez. Okay. I mean, it's what we bounce off of over here, basically. You got that little, you got little push down right there. That's what I had marked off. Let me take where is, it didn't hit on here? It did on the Bybit chart. Oh, I would have been so mad. Look at that. I'd have been so mad if I had it set up exactly like the Bybit chart. This makes me feel a little bit better because I wouldn't have hit it anyway. Before the stream, I actually had the trade set up. I had the entry set up right at the equal lows. And then I overthought it. Simple as. Pretty cool. It's always cool to overthink trades to the point to where you miss them. I overthought it. Because that would have been the perfect entry. And then right up to the highs. It's okay. Alex says long, we long. Stream's good. Market's whack. Yeah, market's super whack. I mean, it's been trading sideways for the last whatever. And Q, trying to get a bounce here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Take a look. Oh, yeah, look at those highs. Juicy, juicy highs being left behind. So many juicy highs. Problem is, it's kind of creating juicy lows at the same time. Take the highs, run it back. This is what I want to see. I have this feeling we're going to wake up to some crazy stuff one day, or maybe some crazy stuff is about to pop off. Like, I don't know. I've been a little bit, I've been feeling a little bit uneasy about things. You know, whole war thing and all that. And we've already had like a couple of instances of people attacking other people. So some would say terrorism, and I would agree. It's like, hey, we're back to the 90s. Total 2? Ooh. Total 2? Not looking bad. If it can hold. That's going to be the key. Can it hold the highs? Can it hold the highs? It's trying. This is what I've been talking about, what I want to see. It's got to hold though. It's got to hold and get a continuation. If it can do that, then altcoins might be looking super juicy, at least in the short term. But this is set up for a potential moonshot. Gotta be careful. Because it's either moonshot or it's chop, 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 and drop. Huh. That's why we use proper risk management. What's the current trend? Technically, we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So you buy the lows and you sell the highs. Do have an imbalance there. It's just a pretty not insignificant level. You can see it's played off of it there. Mess with it a little bit. Dropped down. Came back up. Resistance. Shot straight through it. Came back down. Yeah, it did come down through, but look where it built the base before the push. It's right on that level. 50% retracement. So we could see a push up to that level, and then it'll have to make a decision. We do have a little consolidation range right here, itty bitty. If it can get above that, wouldn't be surprised if it like consolidated here, but if it like consolidated at the highs, that'd be pretty nice for potential continuation. Equal highs right above. Also would suggest that we could target those, and that's what would help fuel us to get up there. So we'll see. It's just not the prettiest of lows. I'll say that much. And the macro headwinds are still pretty headwindy, pretty windy. At least I cracked myself up. Oh, locker fibs. I mean, it gets you right to the 786. I mean, 786 and whatever this big gray block is. Let's see. So probably, I mean, it's a demand zone for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Would you imagine? Could you imagine? 3 drives. Push it down. Crazy. Oh man, I just feel like it's not gonna hold. We'll know pretty soon, I think. No bear div on the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. No bear div there. Okay. But we could get one. So it's pulled back. If we get another push. I don't know, even a break. Maybe get up to that 50. Or these lows of that range. Then you can get a push higher here. And between this swing high and this swing high, you would have a lower high. Here, you would have a higher high, which would suggest bearish divergence and push you to the downside. So I'm still firmly in the camp of we get some kind of, maybe we get even a crazy pump and dump. Maybe it comes up and takes out the equal highs and then dumps on our heads. Something happens. Something crazy happens. I don't know what. And it, you know, I mean, well, I guess it could really be anything, but it could be good news or bad news, to be honest. What else do we have? Dixie's back above 100. Yep, still looking good. Lunar Entity. I've been pretty confident for a while now that we're getting a similar 2018 to 2019 run. 2018 to 2019 on Bitcoin. Oh, this? That move right there? That's an interesting one. Kind of retracement is that? Golden pocket. So if it did do something similar from here, you're looking at 100,985. No, 585 to 102,688. Maybe. We did break this down. This is typically, ew, I did not catch that. That's like a, I mean, really take this whole thing, but it's a breaker block. Or do we have to slice all the way through? We create a fair value gap, and that is typically where you would want to short from. And then, I mean, another block here on top of this fair value gap. So, I mean, we have resistance, right? You break down, pull back into resistance. Now we see what we do. Don't know that we get up here at this point in time. I still think we have one more low to go. I'm sticking to it until it gets invalidated. Oh, that daily does not look good. All these built up lows. But we know this was demand too at the same time, so. Nice steady bid. These candles though, it's just ugly, man. They were struggling. Hey Luna, what you talking about? What are you confident about? Pretty confident that we're getting another drop, another low. It's okay, I am here now. Oh, I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful that you're here, Dusty Hunt. Thank you for being here. Jack Trades too, how you doing? It's been tricky for me, hoping to find my place in all this. What do you mean? We may have another chance. What do you mean, Dynamite? Good evening, Dynamite. Hey, the Dallas Stars are playing Avalanche right now. Go Avs. That's all I gotta say. Yep. The Avs were my first favorite hockey team. Do you want to know how I became an Avs fan? I was in the 8th grade. 8th grade? 7th grade. I was in the 7th grade. 7th grade? What school was it? I think it was 7th grade. I was in the 7th grade. I was at gym. We had this little badminton tournament. And my friend and I formed a team. We went undefeated, actually. Beat our whole class. And he said we got to choose our names and whatever, and he was like, let's be the Avalanche. I was like, I don't even know what that is, but okay, that's cool. That sounds cool. And we were the Avalanche, and we won. And then I found out that the Avalanche is a hockey team, and I was like, oh, all right. And then so I was like, okay, I like the Avs, I guess. That was pre-Nashville Predators. That's why I said they were my first hockey team. And then we got the Preds here. I mean, it's definitely possible. I mean, I have seen the rising triangles, the rising wedges, be bullish reversals before. The question is, man, yeah, man, that would just be so brutal, so brutal, so brutal. I mean, I don't think it would be straight line down, but I don't think it's going to be exactly 1-to-1 like all the other. I mean, no cycle has been the same. Which, so this is my prediction, not that long ago. Dead cat bounce 535. Did I miss it? Is it over here? Dead cat bounce. Is this it? I guess we'll see. Pretty neat though. Where is my other cycles chart? All cycles. It's not it. Kind of went along it. But I don't want to degen it. That's got to be on purpose. I mean, it would technically be on purpose, but it's got to be planned. It's got to be part of the show. I haven't even made it a part of the show yet. This is crypto, not that one. I want Coinbase, maybe? No, it's definitely Bitstamp. Show the freaking past cycles. No. No. I mean, this is like... I mean, I shared this on Sunday. Year of midterms. This is what we usually get. But let's go ahead. Let's just do it like this. All right, let's just do this. Here we go. There's one. That's exact length. I really want to get height to 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 people have left the stream. I already know. I don't blame them. I know when I get a little long-winded and boring. We got that one. That one. Green. I mean, what is stopping us from doing the same thing again? I mean, I think it might be more like 2014. Perhaps. No 2 cycles are the same though. So this is the thing. It's like, where are we right now? And that's the thing. It's like, I was even expecting, or I was talking about the potential for the move up here around this time, because we've always gotten a move up around this time. The red one's a little bit laggy. If we kind of push it back a little bit to line up with the end, we can see it's pushing up. Still a little laggy, but right around the same spot. And then they all roll over every single cycle. Every single one. So we'll see. Can you see where we are today? We are right here. So that means we're on the weekly chart. So that means probably have a week, maybe two, a few weeks, maybe going into May, sell in May and go away. Don't be a fool, sell in April. I just came up with that one. Trademark. Don't be a fool, sell in April. Oh, my point was you cannot see barely our current price, meaning we're pretty much right on track. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, follow LBC on X at Lunar Beaches. Thank you, Alexander G. I do appreciate you. Oh, weekly swept. Highs. Back at the lows, and it's going to need to expand starting this evening. Otherwise, could be in trouble. Could be in trouble. 15. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come back to me. I know you want to come back to me. Maybe. We shall see. Someone analysis says we will have bullish until the end of March, then bearish until May, then down again because of some catastrophe, and then bearish until the end of the year. BTC will be 30K. 30K, I mean, it's possible. I mean, of course it's possible. I do think 28 is like the absolute lowest for me, other than 0 weekly. Because on a lot of charts, 24, a lot of charts we have equal lows right here. And I don't like that. Coinbase, equal lows. Bitstamp, equal lows. Bifinex, equal lows. Like, I don't like it. I need you to go away, sir. I'm just gonna act like they don't exist. But what would that look like? Are we looking at, how would that even come to be? If we were to push here and get another push here, I mean, technically that could be a 5-wave move, and then get an ABC. I'll just do this, ABC, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want to see that, do we? It's like, oh, we bottomed. Oh, I guess the Bitcoin cycle still or no longer exists. And then it's like, you will die. Yeah, until the end of the year, we will see. Yeah, I don't think it gets down there, honestly. I mean, I think we're pushing it if we're thinking we're going to get below the ETF launch consolidation range. I don't think we'll go there. I just don't. There's people that buy here are not gonna. Why? You're either already sold or you're in it for the long haul. Anyway, I mean, if it drops below, I mean, are you really gonna try and take a loss? I don't know. People that bought here, I don't imagine there wasn't some profit taking on the way up. Because you got to think, I mean, the people that are buying here, it's like CPAs, you know, they're not, I mean, yeah, a lot of retail too, but I mean, retail has CPAs and all that stuff. And, you know, we're going to Wall Street and all that stuff. They do all their fancy schmancy stuff. Oh, look who decided to show up. Good evening, JR. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. I think it's inevitable. We need a low to push higher. We may see 150K in 2027 or 2028. 27. Potentially when? Next halving is April of 2028. I mean, that's what it's currently on pace to be, is April of 2028. That's the next halving. Wow. For poops and gigs. Jeez, would you chill out? My God. Oh, wait. Can you not freak out? Calm down. Calm down. All right. Okay, let's see. October 2026, of course. 126 having, I mean, look, this would hit exactly $200,000 from 37K. Sweep of the ETF lows. I don't think so. I think it reverses well before then. God, can you stop? Bruh. Thank you. All right, a little bit closer. Yeah, 54. And guess what? I do believe that's more of a... I believe that's the golden pocket. I mean, I know it is. Golden pocket. And then we get some kind of bottom. It doesn't have to look exactly the same. It can be some craziness. Who knows? And we get mass adoption all of a sudden for some reason. We do have the Clarity Act. And there will be a lot of people get a little bullish a little too early on a lot of things, a lot of times. And I think the Clarity Act might be one of those. It is going to be a good narrative, but I think it might be a sell the news event. And so what I think is that if it gets past the House, then it goes to the Senate, then it goes to the President. So if it can get past the House, and if the Senate can get it, and if it's got to happen before, I think it's probably got to happen before midterms, to be frank. Let's see. Yeah. So leading up to it, they're like, okay, it looks like it's gonna pass. It's gonna pass, and then we get like 2 weeks of bullish price action or something, and then like, oh, it passed. Donald Trump signed it into law. It's a good news. Blah blah blah. That's usually sell the news. Market rolls over, and we continue the bear market, and we continue to be like, let's just say it pumps up down here. Yay. No. Comes down. And we just kind of go sideways for a little while. Why would we go sideways for a little while? I don't think it would look anything like this, but because with the Clarity Act comes a loosening of regulations, a better understanding of regulations for the crypto industry, which both would also unlock capital for crypto. So you would see a lot more innovation in crypto. And with innovation and with growing industries, when you're first getting stuff kicked off, I mean, obviously crypto's been around for a while, but once you unlock that kind of capital, trillions of dollars, that money is going to slosh around. That's why I think it would probably be a little topsy-turvy for a little while as money gets shifted around and people start making their bets on the different projects. And I think we probably get like this whole like new wave of crypto innovation maybe. And that might be what kicks off or creates the next bull run. And as interest goes into crypto, maybe AI kind of hits like a little bit of a wall for a little while. And we're like, hey, we got to advance a little bit, whatever it is. I mean, we do have energy stuff going on in the world today, which does halt AI. I mean, it kind of halts, well, it would halt Bitcoin, but there's a lot of cryptos that are net neutral. I mean, they require electricity still, but not near as much as AI data centers. But yeah, it's fun to speculate and think about. But for now, I think we still have another low to put in. And not because of last cycle either. Not because of this. It's just so tough. I just don't like this low at all. It's not pretty. And I just don't know what would drive it to the upside. Like I don't feel like any kind of move could be sustained at this point in time. Not with the macro headwinds, not with war going on. Capital is just drying up. I mean, it's dried up. Inflation's going higher. I mean, people gotta have money for energy, for gas, for oil. Don't forget, you sustain where we are now in oil, which is still, I mean, it's $96. That's not good. You sustain that for a couple of months, 3 months. That's not good. You start to see inflation in everything in the economy. Everything, not just your gas. Everything else. Takes gas to get food to the store. The store then has to raise prices on the food. That hurts you. Businesses. Businesses that have trucks or vehicles. Pop a tire. You got to go and buy a new tire. How are tires made? Using oil. Tires more expensive. I could literally go on and on. Oil's in a lot of stuff. It makes a lot of stuff. Anything rubber, that's oil. Anything rubber. It's just it's a lot. So it just the fact, just the energy aspect of it and transportation part of it is going to raise prices. So it could get really bad this year. So I just don't see how. I don't see how we don't have a recession, unless this war ends before the end of the month. Somehow, some way. We'll see, but we are dumping a chance to long for you. Oh wait, wrong chart. Not a perfect back test. Should we buy Melania and Trump? I'm not going to tell you what you should or should not buy, but I will tell you that I don't buy meme coins. I don't do meme coins. So, I'm sorry. Too risky for my blood. Don't trust them. Almost every single meme coin is down 99.99999%. Rather trade on their coin. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with trading. I guess there's nothing wrong with trading meme coins. But I'm definitely not going to tell anybody that they need to join any kind of community, meme community or anything like that, or that they should hold on to them or consider them long-term investments at all, because they're not. They do nothing. They're nothing. All right, guys, I gotta get out of here. I do appreciate each and every single one of you for joining me this evening. 400K is kind of absurd. Maybe 10 years when they fully tokenize everything. You think it's gonna take 10 years for that, buddy? It's not. We're not that far away from that, man. But yeah, thank you all for joining me. Tomorrow it'll be the last stream of the week, as you all probably know. So we'll have some fun, and yeah. Hope you guys have a great Thursday. I will see you all in the Discord. Don't forget to join my free Discord, link in the chat and in the description. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Oh, that reminds me, guys. Let me see something real quick. Let me see. Did someone leave? Someone left my Discord? I get notified when people leave my Discord. Oh no, someone joined. Heck yeah. Oh, whoa, what a pump. What just happened? Wait, was that a sweep? What are we doing here? Anyways. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Was it display? No. What is it? Screen time. You know, I'm always talking about this really hurt me. I'm always talking about how, like, I don't have enough time to be in Discord. Is this the past week? So this past week, you ready? I've spent 10 hours and 39 minutes on X. 5 hours and 22 minutes playing chess. 3 hours and 23 minutes on TradingView. 2.5 hours on ChatGPT. 2 hours, 10 minutes on messages. Discord, 2 hours and 1 minute. So it seems like I could cut out some X time and dedicate more of that time to Discord. I've just been so sucked into like, because, you know, X is where you go for like, if you want the fastest information. And so, you know, we got the war going on and stuff. It seems like there's always something going on. I just got to pull myself away from it. Why am I turning my light off? I got to figure it out. Your Discord isn't in the description? It's not? I'll have to fix that. Well, it's pinned in the chat. So, there we go. Sub LBC. Hey, D Generation X. How you doing, bro? Okay, we got a mod doing it. Can you do it, Harp? Let's see what happens. I don't know that anybody's ever done it before. Do you have to, like, set it up? Does it have to be in the description for you to do that? I don't know. I don't even know how that works. Always works for AG. Maybe it's maybe, I don't know. I don't know how it works, to be honest. Thanks, JR. Discord link's at the top of chat. Got it. Thank you. All right, fam. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way out, subscribing to the channel if you are new, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live, which is Sunday through Thursday night, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We try to trade the Asian market when it is being friendly to us, which I could have hit 2 trades tonight, but oh well. Don't always get to trades because I like to be all over the place. I'm a little bit of a squirrel. More of a dog. Squirrel. But yeah, join the free Discord. Oh, follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. And yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all tomorrow. Mad love. God bless. Peace. The F out. Bye.
I put on LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over